interesting his breakdown of how to brand a business or a branding project, and issues such as flexibility and consistency in a brand, which I think if I was doing a series of books, I think that would be really an important thing to keep in mind.
I'm currently in motion of trying to get my own website out there, and it was interesting when one of the speakers had spoken about engagement and how the audience needed to be engaged and how that had actually sort of put up this kind of visitor numbers and the needs of who was actually coming to that brand.
That to me was really beneficial, because when I'm setting up the social enterprise, branding is going to be one of the major factors.
It was really interesting to hear Tangent talking about the Commonwealth Games, the application of the branding, because there's something fascinating about applying something you haven't created and applying it in a way that makes it your own. And it was nice to hear him talk a little bit about having done that, because it was really easy being in Glasgow at the time to just get caught up in it and not concentrate. You know, it was just sort of flashing by all the time, and it's nice to stop and think about it. But the other thing that I found really interesting is having Philip here from Viacom. I was fascinated by how their entire organisation now is presented behind the banner of MTV. I think that's an interesting brand strategy going on there that I want to find out more about.
I think what the Lighthouse is about is demonstrating the impact of design, and it was really interesting to hear about digital designers and quadrupling restaurant sales, quadrupling restaurant bookings, 50% increase in engagement. We've got Tangent and the way that they develop the brand in a physical sense, not just the digital sense. And I think with Philip from MTV Viacom as a client, because those were two kind of supply side agencies, so it's looking at the client side was really interested for him to talk about how the honesty of the brand and what he wanted to achieve with it and how they wanted to reach out. And I'm really happy. I think they went really well.